Hi, this is Jennifer from the New Home Experts, and today I'm excited to show you my beautiful new listing out here in Henderson in the gated community of Rose Ridge. However, before I was going over to the house, I decided to drop by and have an iced coffee at the beautiful La TROPEZIENNE restaurant and bakery here in Henderson. I'm literally about 5 minutes away from this community, Rose Ridge. This home is absolutely close to everything that you'd want here in Henderson and really close to the Strip. I'm looking forward to showing you around, so let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes or resale homes happening here in Las Vegas, please go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes and resale homes out here in Las Vegas or Henderson. We do get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we look forward to helping you make your dream of living out here in Las Vegas a reality. Hi, and welcome to 3244 Rowan Brook. This beautiful home was built in 2020 and is just under 2,300 square feet, priced at $584,900. I'm really excited to show you around. One of the reasons why is we just had the home professionally staged, and I think it looks absolutely awesome and really gives you a great idea about how these spaces can be furnished for your own home. Now, when I used to work at Lennar, this was one of their absolutely most popular floor plans. And one of the reasons why is that the primary bedroom is here on the main level, which I think is very attractive to a lot of people. But one of the things that I really love about this home is that when you walk in, I really think it has a great wow factor. One of the things that we did is we put in a beautiful light fixture up here. That really makes a statement piece. So the moment you walk in the front door, you really get that feeling of kind of what you're going to be set up to see in this beautiful home. So here, this dining table, of course, is a little bit smaller, but you could absolutely put a much larger dining table in this space that would fit comfortably. This kitchen, I love, is beautifully done with the quartz countertops, very popular right now. And this floor, I think, is one of the easiest floors to take care of because it is tile, but it really looks like a beautiful wood finish. So very elegantly done. And then, of course, your cabinetry over here. You've got the dark cabinets with the GE stainless steel appliances. I love these cabinets. I think that might look nice if you put a little hardware on these as well, which could be a nice option. But the kitchen right now is perfect. It would include the refrigerator, of course. And one of the things I wanted to mention, which I want to make sure I don't forget, is that this home does include solar panels. So what that means to you is that right now we're kind of getting out of the summertime, but with the heat of the summer, you're not going to expect to pay more than $100 a month for your utilities, which is obviously incredible. And these solar panels are owned by a third party, so you would not be responsible for any lease payments or anything like that. It really just transfers with the home ownership. So such a great feature, and that happens with a lot of these Lennar communities, and the energy savings is just tremendous. So I want to make sure I got that in. One of the other things that I think is beautiful is how nicely done this space is. You've got this great big TV room here, and my friend did these beautiful couches, and you really get a sense of from sitting here and just being able to see the entirety of the house. So here's your beautiful kitchen, your gorgeous dining area, and it just feels really nice and open. I think they did a great job, and this is such a great floor plan. I can't wait to show you the rest of the house. So one of the things I also want to mention while we're going to take a look at the primary is there's a lot of storage in this house. Take a look in here. And I'm going to make Micah go down there. So Micah is going to show you how far back that goes. I mean, oh my gosh, right? And now I'm going to lock Micah in here I'm just kidding, Micah, you can come back out. Because of course I might like lock Micah in here, but I have to show you the primary bedroom, and then I wouldn't be able to if I had locked Micah in the closet, so not good. However, I mean, how awesome is that? I love the under the stairs storage. I think that's so clever. Just a nice space if you just have some, you know, obviously maybe holiday decor or just other types of things, and you can just stick it under the stairs. Now we're standing in the primary. Of course, it's beautifully staged by Wagner Designs, but I think this is just a really good sized primary bedroom. Also, of course, located on the main floor, which I think is a really big plus. And then you walk into this beautiful primary bathroom with a nice walk-in shower. Voila. And also your tub. And I love the way that there's just a little makeup area here as well. This is really beautifully done. And then you have a closet over here. Ooh, this is actually a nice big closet too. And there's also some nice shelves over there, which I really like. So I just think this home lives really well. One of the best things about this home as well is it's just under 2,300 square feet, but it does offer 4 bedrooms. So not only do you have this primary on the main level, you also have another bedroom down here as well. So Micah, I'm not gonna make you walk backwards. You can walk in back of me. Oh, here's more storage here. So you've got these here, which is really nice. And then take a look at this bedroom. So of course, depending on your lifestyle, this could in fact make a great office space, or of course a child's room. But I love that there's really 2 bedrooms here on the main floor. A lot of times when people build, when builders build the primary downstairs, all the secondary bedrooms are upstairs. I think this floor plan is really well thought out, because not only is your primary down, but you have this bedroom down here as well. Especially if you have a small child, I think it's really nice to have them on the same main floor with you. And then this bedroom would have the use of this bathroom here. And we've got this lovely shower curtain, but you have a full tub right here. So that's downstairs. I'm excited to show you the upstairs because there are 2 additional bedrooms. One of them is very oversized and could make a great game room, or some sort of playroom, something like that. So let's go take a look upstairs. So here we are going up the stairs and into this large bedroom. When Lennar was building these homes, a lot of times this particular room was done as a loft space, so 3 bedrooms and a loft. Here in this home, it is built out as a 4th bedroom because there is a closet over here. So this definitely could accommodate a bedroom and is listed on the MLS as a 4th bedroom. I do love the fact though here we kind of made it more of like a den space. I think it would make a great video game room or a movie room, or even perhaps an office, or of course a bedroom. But I think it lends itself to a lot of different options depending on how you live. And again, even as your family grows up and grows older, I mean, you might have a child downstairs initially, they could move up here, this could be a game room. This house has so many options as far as how it lives, and this is just really one option. Let's go take a look over here. Here's the other bedroom. So I think this could definitely be, again, for a child living at home, and have that other space maybe as a study room. And then this also has another bathroom here. All of the bathrooms are done in that same beautiful tile that is downstairs. So everything really matches throughout the home. And coming back down, I do love that the staircase that they put in here as well, with the dark finish, matches the cabinetry throughout the home. And I love the spindles. Oh, that's a good word, isn't it? Spindles are done in white. So I think it adds some really nice pop. And then I love, Micah, just kind of go right back down the staircase and just show them how beautifully this is laid out. And then lastly, before we finish up, let me go show you the backyard. Okay, so now we are outside. We do back to St. Rose Parkway, depending on how you feel about that. What is nice is that there's literally no one behind you back here. So a lot of times in these types of developments, you do have other homes behind you. When you are on the outside of the development, what's really nice is there is no one behind you. Also, this home has great access from St. Rose Parkway. There's literally a gate about 3 houses down. So I literally just came through this gate and was able to pull right into the driveway. So it makes it really convenient. Something else I had mentioned, of course, is that you're really close to Southern Highlands, you're really close to the district. The Costco is literally like 3 minutes from here. So the location, as far as where this home is just really fantastic. You're truly close to everything. This backyard is a really good space. One of the things I would do, however, is I would probably put some sort of trellis here and just sort of make it, oh, you know what? Similar to what the neighbors did. How's that? I think that looks great. And I think something like that over here would be a nice added feature. What is nice though right now, Micah, is that it is literally middle of the day. It's a little after 12 o'clock and look how nicely shaded this is. This is really comfortable out here, considering that it is essentially still summertime and it is literally the middle of the day. This does offer some really great shading. I really like that. Thank you so much for watching our tour today on my brand new listing here at 3244 Rowan Brook here in beautiful Henderson, Nevada. If you'd like more information on 3244 Rowan Brook, please visit those details in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Please also make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.